Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, knowing how to move your Bitcoin from Uphold to an external wallet is essential for better security and control. In this full guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need an active Uphold account with some Bitcoin in it and the wallet address of your external wallet, whether that's on a hardware wallet like Ledger or another exchange. Always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to prevent any losses. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Use your email and password, and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a must for security in 2025. Step 2. Once you're in, head over to the Assets tab and select Bitcoin from your list of holdings. This will bring up your Bitcoin balance and options for managing it. Step 3. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. Uphold's interface might have evolved by 2025, but it's usually right there. Click it to start the transaction process. Step 4. In the new window, enter the external wallet address in the recipient field. Take your time here, paste it carefully and verify it's correct to avoid sending to the wrong place. Step 5. Next, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees displayed. They can vary based on blockchain congestion, so factor that into your decision. Step 6. Review all the details on the summary screen. Check the address, amount, and fees one last time, then hit Confirm to finalize the transaction. Once confirmed, you'll get a notification, and your Bitcoin should appear in your external wallet within minutes to an hour, depending on the Bitcoin network. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your crypto. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Drop any questions in the comments below. Stay safe out there.